Chinese scientists have reportedly developed such a silent laser gun, which can hit its target at a distance of 1 kilometer. This dangerous weapon can instantly set fire to any person's clothing, skin or other reserves. This development is not part of a science fiction movie. Chinese scientists have succeeded in converting a laser into a laser gun. This gun uses powerful batteries instead of bullets and ammo. The laser rays coming out of the laser gun are invisible to the human eye and set fire to clothes in a few seconds. According to a report in the media, clothes catch fire immediately and the person starts burning. Whether it's clothes or skin, this latest rifle burns it instantly. The weapon was developed by China in collaboration with the Chinese Academy of Sciences and is still a prototype. The Chinese newspaper has named this new weapon as laser gun.